Hello, I'm astrologer N. Baksh and you're watching Sitara Ka Safar. In today's video, we'll be discussing Mercury transit in Gemini, which is taking place from June 6th to June 22nd. Mercury is one of the fastest moving and most dynamic planets in the birth chart. I'll explain what Mercury represents in Vedic astrology, its key attributes, what happens when it is positively placed in a chart, its negative influences, powerful remedies, and how the specific transit will affect different areas of your life, including career, finances, love life, health, students, and upcoming opportunities. Before we begin, a quick announcement. If you're facing challenges in your life, whether related to business, finances, love life, married life, or delays in marriage, you can book a personal consultation by messaging my team on WhatsApp. The number is displayed on your screen. Now let's begin the video. Firstly, let's talk about its attributes. Its Sanskrit name is Budh, meaning intellect or awakened one. It also signifies wisdom and discrimination. Its element is earth, which represents logic, stability, and pragmatism. It has adaptable, dual natured energy. Its own signs are Gemini and Virgo. Its friendly planets include Sun and Venus, while its enemy planet is Moon. The neutral planets are Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Its exalted sign is Virgo, while its debilitated sign is Pisces. Budh is described as Rajasic and benefic when associated with benefics, but becomes malefic when conjoined with malefics. It is a symbol of speech, intellect, learning, commerce, and communication. It governs reasoning power, analytical skills, education, mathematics, and logic. Now let's see what Mercury represents in your birth chart. In terms of personality, it represents wit, logic, communication, diplomacy, and intelligence. In terms of career fields, it supports writing, journalism, law, trading, accounting, IT, mathematics, and education. In terms of physical aspects, it governs your skin, lungs, the nervous system, speech, hands, and the brain. In terms of relationships, it shows friends, maternal uncle, younger siblings, and students. In terms of property and assets, it shows books, gadgets, documents, and trade related wealth. In terms of behavior, it shows that you can be inquisitive, quick witted, humorous, and sometimes cunning. Mercury in your birth chart also shows details about business deals, contracts, analytics, short travels, and debating. Now let's see what Mercury gives when it's positive in your birth chart. It will give you sharp intellect, such as exceptional communication skills, debate mastery, and strong memory. It will give you business success, especially in trade, IT, finance, and analytics. You'll be fluent in languages, you'll have multilingual abilities and strong expression. In terms of education, you'll have a scholarly nature and success in academics. In terms of networking and diplomacy, you will build useful connections and it will help you mediate conflicts. In terms of healing and health, you'll have a strong nervous system and fast recovery from illnesses. For example, Budh in Virgo, which is exalted in the fifth house, can make someone a data scientist, skilled teacher, or successful stock market analyst. Do tell me if you possess these Mercury traits in the comment section below. Now let's see what Mercury gives when it is negative in your birth chart. It gives mental confusion, such as overthinking, scattered thoughts, and poor decision making. You will face communication problems such as miscommunication, lying, and stammering. It will give you nervous disorders such as anxiety, speech issues, or learning difficulties. You may face cheating or manipulation, such as a tendency towards cunning or unethical trade. You will also face educational challenges with trouble focusing or completing academic pursuits. There will be instability in career, such as frequent job changes or failed business ventures. For example, Budh in Pisces, which is debilitated in the third house, can make a person imaginative but impractical, causing losses in business due to emotional decisions. Do tell me if you possess these negative Mercury traits in the comment section below. Now let's talk about Mercury's impact on Aries moon sign. Right now, Mercury has entered its own sign Gemini. And since it's in the third house, this puts communication, networking, skill development, and personal branding in full activation mode. But Jupiter is also here, which is Mercury's enemy. Their energies are kind of opposite. Mercury is a fast thinker, while Jupiter goes deep. The result? You'll think quickly but might end up over explaining things or stretch conversations into spiritual or idealistic directions. This transit directly impacts your courage, writing, speaking, and your power to influence others. Now let's see how Mercury will impact your career and finance. There will be a boom in sales, writing, marketing, media, coding, and tech related jobs. Your mind will be extremely sharp, but because of Jupiter's influence, the habit of over detailing or trying to explain everything to everyone could become a problem. Opportunities for short term foreign projects, freelance gigs, or pitch based income sources are quite high now. For those involved in the stock market or crypto, intuitive signals will come through, but overanalyzing might cause missed chances. Short trades will work better as long term wisdom and detailed planning might clash with this transit energy. Let's talk about how this Mercury transit will impact your love and relationships. You'll be charming and flirtatious, but there will be a calculative, intellectual tone underneath. You may feel more analytical than emotional in your connections. Jupiter here tends to make people a bit preachy, so either you or your partner might start giving unnecessary moral or philosophical lectures. For singles, this is a great time for DM flirting, online dating, or secret texting. Couples should be careful not to let sarcasm creep into daily conversations, as it could cause friction. Now let's talk about how Mercury will affect your health and mental state. Mental restlessness, overthinking, and insomnia are likely to show up. With Jupiter here, you might get caught in confusion or a what's right, what's wrong phase. You'll find yourself talking a lot, but later feel guilty or doubtful. Did I say too much? Expect tension in your nervous system, especially around the neck, arms, or shoulders. Now let's see what impact Mercury has brought upon students and young professionals. This is a golden time for those studying or working in coding, analytics, digital writing, psychology, communication, or media fields. However, Jupiter's influence can bring subject switching or an illusion that you need to learn everything at once, which will scatter your focus. If you're preparing for exams, spend more time revising because Mercury makes you think fast, but retention can be weak. Now let's see what challenges you will face in the upcoming 17 days. You might come off as an overconfident communicator. Others may see you as a know-it-all. Sometimes your sarcasm or judgmental tone might hurt people. Expect possible ego clashes with siblings or colleagues, especially when you get into a I am right mindset. There could also be a false sense of superiority in your mind. Here's an advice for you. Work on how you say things. Not every argument needs to be won with logic. Jupiter's presence activates your inner teacher, but Mercury reminds you to be a learner and not always a preacher. Use your language as a tool for diplomacy, not domination. You can master writing and speaking, but it requires both practice and patience. Now, I will tell you some remedies for negative Mercury. Firstly, you should try to involve yourself in journaling as it enhances clarity and organizes thoughts, since Mercury governs memory. You should play puzzle solving games such as crossword, Sudoku, and chess, which boost Mercury's logic. You should wear the color green on Wednesday as it promotes Mercury's positive influence. You should read aloud daily as it strengthens Mercury linked speech power and expression. You should donate green lentils, stationery, or books to orphan children on Wednesdays. You should avoid gossip or lies as weak Mercury thrives on deceit. That's all for today. I hope you've learned a lot about Mercury and how its influence shapes different aspects of your life. May this knowledge help you make wiser choices for the betterment of your journey. Always remember, the stars can only illuminate the path, and remedies are tools to smooth out the road. But the true and ultimate power belongs to Allah alone, the creator of the planetary system and everything beneath the Arsh-e Azim. Thank you for being with me today. I'll see you in the next video, inshallah.